everybody and welcome back. My name is Sheena and I'm the owner and founder of Christian Creative Mental. Here on my channel I do videos all about Christianity and mental health. Today I'm doing episode number 2 in my series of pens for Bible journaling. And these pens are and I'm going to mess up the name, Veritas. So these are some pens that I got to try out a couple years ago. Really liked them. I used them a lot, so I just want to show them to you and let you see so then if there's something that you may be interested in. So let's go. Alright guys, so in this video we are going to be looking at Psalms 23:4, and I'm using the King James Version Bible, and it says, "Yet though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff comfort me." I'm going to be using my Veritas color pens. I have actually had these for quite a while. They were some of my favorite pens that I got to review. They have 6 metallic and 6 glitter pens is what comes in this set. It comes in this cute little travel set. Let's see. It says non-toxic and lead-free and 1.0 millimeters diamond tip pens with vibrant color. So this, I've actually used part of the ones out of this case, you can see. So I'm going to get the ones that I normally have in my pencil pouch. Let's see, let's start out by writing it. Recently did this first, and I'm trying not to do like the exact same lettering on this one that I did on that one. I wrote "Fear no evil" with stickers previously. I will link that video down in the description below or up here on the top. Let's see, I'm going to put fear. I'm going to put "I will fear no evil, for thou art with me." Okay, so I will fear no evil. I will fear no evil, you're with me. That looks good. Use this like gold glitter color. Hopefully there's still enough in it. If not, I think I have another one. And I'm going to put fear, evil, and I'm going to use this gold. It's like an orangish gold for my cursive to go over it. Now these pens, I want to make sure and get right on top of it because I will not be able to erase or it will smear. And I did not even put a piece of paper behind it, so it's not, I'm going to go ahead and put one behind it before I go any farther, just so it doesn't make big indents on the next page, because I am pressing down kind of hard. Alright, then I think I will use my blue. Yeah, it's still got plenty in it. And I'm gonna go over the other letters in blue. And with these, I just did all capital letters and kind of made them like narrow. I'm probably going to go back and do some however you pronounce it, lettering, some calligraphy lines to make it look a little better. And I'll actually do that on the blue letters and on the orangish gold letters. Now these pens are not archivable, so with time they may not stay the same. They may fade or bleed. Did not look back to see if I could find a previous page where I have used them. I'll flip through when I get done making this and see if I see a previous page where I have used these pens, and it didn't, see how it did? Because I used to use these pens all the time. They used to be my go-to pen for everything. Now on the M, I'm actually going to thicken all 3 downstrokes, just because that's how I always do it whenever I do the M's. Okay, and here's a page that I did January 8th of 2018, so a little over 2 years ago. Still looks very good. It has not faded. It does have a little more ghosting on the back of it. Then let's see how this one currently does. So this one has a good bit of ghosting on the back, and this one does as well. So it doesn't look like it has actually changed over the years with these pens. So that is good to know, because it has been 2 years since I did that page. So hopefully this page will hold up as well and still look the same in 2 years. So I'm going to write on here Psalms 23:4 and the date, and because it's batch recorded, it is April 15th, 2020. And there we go. Now if this helps you and you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.